Hiking. Yeah, but we'll go there. Yeah. Yeah, we bought it for Justina. And not expensive, right? We got it for some offer. Yeah, see, 199. Yeah. Nice. Okay. But better than what we bought from Vishal Market.
I really like that you already have. So I'm starting gym, so I just bought some clothes.
It's both are the same model only.
Oh my god, it's like
Yeah. So, yeah.
water will be stay a long time, huh?
Yeah. But it is 1,500. Yeah. That is still there. It's there in Timapur. Huh? Yeah, yeah, yeah. This was 599. Yeah. But a lot of varieties, no, this time. Yeah. Yeah. No, this is also still for playing only.
Very big country. Right?
Yeah. And you bought one more, no? Okay. And this also you took. How much is that? 699. Yeah, but you are wearing already, no? Yeah.
It's very comfortable again because I want more. It's very expensive but very comfortable. They are selling.
This they are selling. Just took one shorts.
See, Decathlon is very comfortable.
Yeah. This side too.
Summer, winter, different.
Yeah. And this t-shirt. And this one. This also you took, right? One towel. Oh, this towel is comfortable. Huh?
But it's all
Okay.
and these all are
Camping. No, each you have to buy separate. That right? It won't be too expensive. 4,000, 5,000 will be.
but I don't want
See. This is like how what you want, right?
yeah, like that house.
This is 10,000.
Next time we'll buy if we are,
We can actually do it in our field. When we are going to Nagaland, we'll buy. This is even bigger. 8 people can stay.
This one?
4 people, 4 to 8 people, but 4 people.
This outside also nice, huh?
Yeah. See, because it is one bedroom for people.
Then I saw in YouTube the toilet also is there. They will make
Toilet they can make it. This is also see 12,999.
nice, then going
Very
to
nice. We'll ship it to Nagaland itself when we are going.
nice try.
Yeah. No, this is all one place. Like see, 2 people can sleep here. 2 people can sleep. 2 people sleep. Decathlon only.
No, Decathlon but which location?
I don't know.
That's
You have to book. So this is indoor, like sevens football, but they are playing cricket today.
Okay, football, cricket, everything.
You can play anything. You book for it, you pay for it. Ah, winter wear. It is always 5,500 only. This is little bit smaller.
But this is good. But
Ah, little bit.
but very comfortable. When packing, when
Not that also. Something similar.
Wanna break it
Grip is
off
also
and
really
go your
good.
own way.
See, like this only I want. Color is different.
Time to think, and baby, that's okay.
Ah, see. That's true.
Show you
That is hiking pole. Yeah. Yeah.
wanna stay in touch, but I don't feel the same.
No, you have to lock it.
'Cause we were always chin to chin, so close
Very.
I could hear you think. Skin to skin, up against the kitchen sink.
And if you want to adjust the height also, you can adjust it. This is the same shoe which they have. You can see, right? This is the shoe is underwater, but it will not get wet. This one. Oh, this is the full cycling section. Yeah. 25,000, 50,000, 45,000.
Wanna be there for me, but baby, I walk off. 'Cause we were always chin to chin, so close I could hear you think. Skin to skin, up against the kitchen sink. Our friendship and the world bodies begin. You know that I
But this is fine. Medium was big. Sure.
we were too lovers, not meant to pretend. I was never your friend.
Yeah, it is on clearance. 1,000.
Now that it's over, you won't see me again. I was never your friend.
Yeah.
We had the fire, but not the smoke. Stayed up for hours, oh what a joy. But let's not pretend it was anything more. You know that I was never your friend, never your friend. We were two lovers, not meant to pretend. I was never your friend, never your friend. Now that it's over, you won't see me again. I was never your friend.
Good one.
Never your friend.
Take the bill. Thank you. Oh, Baneerghata Road. Yeah. Oh, this is big. This is quite big.